we gonna be on the road in 2009. We're going to, where we going, Dibs?
Let's see, look out for us in the summer, Kingston, Jamaica. We're in New York, September, and we're in Miami for Carnival.
Yeah, just keep watching and do what you do, and we're gonna do what we do. Alright, 2009.
Yeah, you don't know it's Kodak Papa Off, so we're there with the Fire Sisters, keeping it blazing, you dig? Understand you're a Papa Off of the Atlanta, Georgia, New Year's. Big up my friend Shooks, Fire Sisters in the building.
Bam. What's the other get them start right now? What's the other get them start right now, ladies? Listen to the right Jamaica. All you want the body master, God finger. See them coming from afar, perpetrating war, no matter who they are, we born.
Barack Obama is going to be president of the United States. All the young youths, remember, you can step up in the life and do the thing. So yes, so we're at Atlanta, all right? The Bentleys, intimate, every Friday night. I want to please check it out. All right, so flying from New York, flying from Florida, driving from California, from wherever.
Fire Sisters.
Highlander. Fire Sisters.
.net.
Them boy they have no gun, them boy they have no rifle. Them cannot like me, no, but I am the idol. My youth tonight, polo shirt, that is not Dolly Creeper, that's Gorilla Creeper. Big up yourself, you. Fire Sisters! Roy! Dodge motherfucking Bush! George Bush! You make black people suffer the Katrina! And you're ready. Hear Obama said, why if you move then you're dead. Take a look and see how from far. It's a way you want in the war.
So anything that you see, it's time to get down.
He's about to be friends. Carter.
Fire Sisters, big up on herself. I and I, Khalil Wanda alongside Super Peck.
You know, it's the SLI representing along with the Islander. You don't know the ATL Kings there with the black Islander Fire Burner Cheesy with the cut. You don't know
Islander.net.
Yo, Peck, link up. It's gonna be alright. I and I now go.